In this video, I will show you how to create questionnaires in Microsoft Word document like this. You can check or unselect. So to create, click on Insert and Table. Here select required number of table. Like you have the 10 questions. So select row, number of row 10. Now select it and in table layout, make it 1 centimeter height. Make it middle. To change the centimeter file, more options, advanced, and in the unit you can select here centimeter. Now change this column and adjust. Like this. Make the font size properly. Now right here, like very useful and not useful. Here question numbers. Now file, more, and options. Customize ribbon, and here turn on this developer tab and click on OK. Now click here and click on developer tab. Select this checkbox content controller, then properties. Here click on change and in this drop down list select Windings 2 and select this checkbox. Click on OK. Now select it, Control C and copy it. Now here paste by pressing Control V. Now write your questions. Select this all and make it align left. Now select table and table design here. In borders select no border. And right here please check appropriate column and people can select required column like this. So thanks for watching.